First impressions of the 261. Welcome to the Rusty Garage in Homestead. My name is Mike. In today's video, we're going to fire up our MS261. We're going to buck in the piles a little bit, get some more wood up there to split. And here on the new property, I've got some trees in the backyard that I drug up here quite a while back whenever I was stacking logs. I'm going to go ahead and get these things limbed up so I can get them drug out and get those cut up. This saw has not gotten any wood yet, so I'm going to get this thing started up, let it start warming up because it is brand new still. And I think we'll go ahead and just start with the limbs in the backyard since that's going to be a lot smaller stuff. So let me get this thing fired up and I'll get you all set up. Okay, again, it's probably been 4 or 5 minutes. That's just like most of the Stihls I've messed with, they always start good. Well, we got a little bit cut. Probably next, maybe cut these big ones up here, but then we're definitely gonna have to roll some of that down. It is getting way too tall, but we've got a pretty good little jag put on it today, a little bit every day. So I don't know, we'll probably start splitting some of this stuff up after church tomorrow. hopefully we'll get it all done, but I'm thinking there's a good 4 baskets just in this row right here. But the MS261, I like it. The saw is definitely lighter than the 572 by far. It really never seemed to have any issues with power. Granted, this is a 50cc saw. It's for smaller stuff, limbs, smaller wood, but a couple of those rounds were pretty decent, and it never slowed down. I even dogged in on a couple of them, and it did just fine. I think this is going to be real nice to have while we're bucking in these piles. Obviously, the 572, we're going to need the G660. I need to get it out just so I can get it running. There's some bigger stuff in here that it'll work good for. But overall, first impressions of the 261, it's a great little saw. I am ready to get a muffler for it. Whenever it comes in, we will kind of do some before and after tests, see how much it speeds it up. It's a small, lightweight, pro model Stihl saw. Starts good, just like every Stihl I've ever owned. They seem to start really good. It's light, and that 325 chain, it blasts through a lot of this wood. It was throwing nice chips. Yeah, I mean, we didn't cut, maybe a basket full, but it did good. I'm happy to have it. It's gonna go good with the rest of the saws. This one and the 572 will probably kind of be the main saws I bring out here whenever it's time to cut. I love running the 572. It's smooth. And this one, because I've ran a lot of Stihls before, this one surprised me how smooth it was. I don't know if it's the anti-vibe in the pro models or what, but it felt good. It really did. But I think overall it is a winner. You can get the saw at Saw Suppliers. That is the cheapest place you're going to find it. I'll put a link down below. Stihl, Husky, Echo, chainsaws, backpack blowers, weed eaters, stuff like that. Power tools, power saws, power equipment, I guess would be the word for it. That place, I've looked at all sorts of stuff, and it is the cheapest there. I've been buying all my Echo Red Armor. I bought a few saws from there. Really hoping the other saw that I ordered comes sooner than late summer, because I'm hoping to be blasted through most of these piles by then. But the 261, it did great. Glad to have it. Appreciate you being here. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.